Right on. Yep. All right, you guys are absolutely awesome for sticking it out. But it doesn't surprise me because we always have a good time in this place. But like, you guys are the troopers, man. You guys are the soul. We like that. We'll play for that. And we would play all night for you if we could, but we got time for one more before the city shuts us down. So we're gonna play a nice long tune with some fun. And this song is about our local music scene, Maryland, Virginia, and it's all we got is love. We're happy to be from here. We're always East Coast. We're never going anywhere else. I mean, we'll play other places. We're just not moving. Cheers! Kids, don't drink or smoke. I'm a bad influence. I'm not a good role model. You guys, I'm awesome. Stay in school. There's no future in music. Become a scientist. We don't need any more people playing music. We need more scientists. Just letting you guys know. Surfers, though, always important. Surfing is important. I can tell you. Look at your guns, man. You're like, you paddle out. You probably paddle out in the North Shore and crush it. Oh, I've got another song that's not those. But this song, that would be cool. If we had more time, we would play that, but we don't. So we're gonna play this song, and we hope you'll like it.